Dashu's secret box. In the story, there are many characters like Dashu, teacher, Prakash, Gopal, Joru, Bishu, Nabin, Tapan. Here, Dashu plays a main role. This small incident takes place in the school. Let's see the beautiful incident.
A classroom with your teacher and students. Dashu stands at the door as if asking for permission to enter the classroom. He walks into the class carrying a strange looking box under his arm. He goes to his desk and places the box very carefully under the table. He seems very anxious about the box.
Teacher asked, "What are you carrying in the box, Dashu?" Dashu politely answered, "My belongings, sir."
Prakash and Gopal whispered to each other.
Gopal said, "What's crazy Dashu up to? What does he mean, my belongings?" Prakash answered, "I don't know. He has all his usual things with him. Look."
Dashu arranges a few notebooks, textbooks, pencils, and even a penknife on the table.
"Dashu, what's in the box? Go on. Tell me. I promise not to tell anyone."
Dashu doesn't answer the question. He pretends to open a book and look at it. After a while, Dashu slowly takes out a key from his pocket, bends down and carefully unlocks the box. Below his desk, he lifts the cover a little and peers into it.
Dashu softly to himself, Okay, that's okay."
He nods his head in a serious way. Gopal tries to peep into the box, but Dashu clamps it shut.
Dashu warns them, "Be careful, don't meddle with my box. I don't want to misplace it."
Gopal turns to the others, rolls his eyes and frowns. The boys begin whispering again.
Joru says, "I'm sure it's his different box. Maybe he has brought something special for lunch that he does not want to share." Bishu, No. He is always secretive about his pocket money. Maybe he is hiding a lot of money. Nabin jokingly, "A box full of money? Is he going to open a money lending business?" "I don't think so, Bishu. It must be something else." Teacher loudly shouted at them, "Stop talking, boys! Pay attention!"
The stage darkens. A bell rings. It's lunch break. The scene is the school playground. Students walk about chatting with each other or run across the grounds, laughing and playing. Prakash, Tapan, Joru, and Bishu stand in a circle and share their lunch. Dashu rises up to Tapan. He gives him a key. He is holding his box in the other hand.
Here, Dashu softly but urgently, "Keep this with you till I come back, Tapan. Be careful, don't lose it. If I am late, leave the key with the security guard before going into the class. Okay?"
Dashu turns, goes to the guard's room, leaves his box there and goes out as if in a great hurry.
Tapan, with the victorious smile, "He has disappeared. Now's our chance. We must get our hands on that box."
A few minutes later, the security guard goes away to wash his tiffin box. The boys rush to the box and crouch around it. Tapan opens the lock with the key. He opens the box slowly.
There's a heavy bundle tied up in the cloth. "Prakash, take it out quick."
Tapan unwraps the cloth and finds another cloth covered bundle. He unties that and finds another bundle. Finally, he holds up a small packet.
Joru could not wait. He said, "Hurry up! Open it! See what's inside."
Tapan opens the small packet slowly and takes out a folded piece of paper.
Naveen, what is it? Tapan opens the paper and reads out slowly. Idle curiosity isn't a virtue. Shame on you. Bishu shocked. What? Wait a minute. That fellow has made monkeys out of us. Joru shocked. Oh no! It's April Fool's Day. Dashu set us up.
The boys look at each other, puzzled. They realize Bishu and Joru are right.
Joru said, "Put it back as it was. Quick, we mustn't let him know we have opened it." Even Prakash said the same. "Yes, whenever he comes back, pretend you are innocent, Tapan. Pester him to show you the secret in the box."
The boys quickly wrap the packet and put it back into the box. As they lock the box, they hear loud laughter. They turn around to see Dashu sitting on the wall and laughing uncontrollably.
Bishu said, "That imp! He has been watching us the whole time." Tapan said, "Everything was a trick. Giving me the key, leaving the box with the guard, pretending to go out. He planned everything. What fools we are. No wonder we call him. All together, you crazy Dashu."
They move as if to catch Dashu and punish him. He leaps off the wall and runs away laughing loudly.